Wind down after admitting he's broke. Wendy Williams judge rejects ex-husband Kevin Hunter's requests for the host to continue making alimony payments. The judge stated that Wendy's financial guardian will not be required to resume writing the man's alimony checks, according to court documents obtained exclusively by the U.S. Sun. Since the judge determined that Kevin's motion was not urgent, he was given the order to have it dismissed without prejudice. The judge also rejected Kevin's request for Wendy to cover his legal bills. Yet, Kevin's battle for Wendy's payments is far from ended. He can still go to mediation, the judge said, even if they do not view his demand for alimony payments as an urgency. The judge ruled that the parties had to take part in binding arbitration. The severance compensation and the QDRO problems are disputed and require mediation, the statement reads. Wendy's ex-husband first claimed to a New Jersey court that his monthly payments promised in their divorce abruptly halted in February 2022, as the Showtime previously exclusively disclosed. Kevin requested that Wendy's guardian be forced to make payments as contractually required under the MSA and separation agreement. According to the court decision, Wendy, 58, was put under financial guardianship earlier this year. As the Showtime first exclusively revealed, Kevin claimed in his filing that the payments, which were outlined in their marital settlement agreement, are essential to maintaining his way of life. I have a lot of bills that I am behind on. I currently reside in a neighborhood where homeowners association dues must be paid, and I am currently in arrears. In his case to the court over the residence he shares with his baby mama and their love child, Kevin warned that foreclosure would happen quickly if the homeowners association dues were not paid. My monthly severance payments have stopped, hence my car insurance has not been paid. Kevin said in his filing, I'm overdue on credit card payments since I have no money since the severance payments were canceled. Since the plaintiff ceased making the required payments under our settlement agreement, my life has been significantly impacted. Kevin claimed he had a number of urgent financial issues in addition to the fact that he lacked health insurance. The father of two alleged that he need hip surgery but cannot afford it without insurance and that, as a result, he suffers from everyday discomfort because he has not received treatment. It is vital for me to be able to support my life and have my finances in order. I am unable to support my daily expenses and pay my bills. In addition, Kevin claimed Wendy's guardian had never explained to him why the payments had stopped. The former TV host's lawyer responded to Kevin's demand for reimbursement by claiming that the star hasn't received money from the Wendy Williams show since October 2021, 1 month into her extended hiatus. Wendy's lawyer stated in a letter to the court, on October 15, 2021 plaintiff was informed that her contract was being suspended and that no compensation shall accrue or be payable to plaintiff for the duration of plaintiff's disability and incapacity. The divorce settlement agreement that the former talk show presenter and Kevin signed in January 2020 was further mentioned by the counsel for the former host. According to Wendy's attorney, her client has not received a salary from the production. Moreover, she currently does not have any other television program airing that is giving her any revenue, much less an equivalent compensation. The first episode of Wendy's fall 2021 season aired in September. A few days later, Wendy was admitted to the hospital for a psychiatric assessment. The Wendy Williams show reportedly paid Wendy $10 million a year, or $55,000 per episode. Wells Fargo froze her accounts in January 2022 owing to worries that Wendy was of unsound mind, and the bank suspected financial exploitation, dementia, or undue influence, as the Showtime and first exclusively reported. According to sources, Wendy treated her acute alcoholism for 2 months in a rehab facility in Malibu, California, later that year. The host, who had previously claimed to be sober, had a number of public alcohol-related episodes before entering treatment in August due to serious alcoholism. She has struggled greatly with alcohol over the past few years. She is struggling with severe alcoholism and critical health difficulties according to a source close to the celebrity. She spent time in rehab. She was receiving care for excessive drinking. For years, she has been told by various doctors, if you drink, you'll die. She never really wanted to stop, and the people in New York who were around her gave her permission to carry on drinking. Wendy suffered a number of health difficulties, including Graves' illness, lymphedema, and substance usage, and missed all of the last season.